welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm super excited because I have my BOXYCHARM. I got this yesterday, but I didn't have time to film it, so here I am today. So this time I got my BOXYCHARM pretty fast. I got it on the 12th, and well, today is Friday the 13th. Ooh. But anyways, I'm super happy that I got it. So now I'm going to open it up. I can't wait to see what I got. Here it is. It's so pretty. And here are my products. So I'm already super excited, but I just noticed that there's no card or the little foam thing, so that sucks.
What's up, BOXYCHARM? How come I'm not getting my card?
So let me check if BOXYCHARM sent me a card via email or something. Let's see. So BOXYCHARM didn't send me a virtual card either, so I will try to look up for the prices and I will try to put them on the screen for you guys. But anyways, the first product right here, it is from Pharmacy, and it is a Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm limited edition, and it's this one right here. So I'm super excited to try this out. I've never tried anything from Pharmacy. I don't know, maybe I have, I'm not sure, I can't remember. But anyways, I'm super excited to try out products to remove my makeup, and this is a pretty big jar. It is 3.4 fluid ounces. So I'm going to open it up and see what it smells like. Oh, so it has like a little scoop thingy. See, little spatula. It looks like those little spatulas that come with the Duvalin candies. I don't know if you guys ever tried those, but those are bomb. Ta-da! Oh, so it's like, it smells so good, you guys. It smells fruity and really smells fresh. So it's not a cream, it's like a hard balm, so I guess it just melts. Well, that's what it says right here. Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this out, and it smells so good. I normally use olive oil to remove my makeup, but since I already have this, I might as well try some of this. So I'm super happy with that. Okay, so the next product that I got, it is the Project Beauty Hair Gurt Almond Honey Intense Repair Yogurt Hair Mask with prebiotics, quinoa, and super botanicals for beautiful hair. Sulfate and paraben free. I've never tried anything from this brand before, so I'm really curious to see if this actually works. It says that it helps repair damaged and fragile and brittle hair. I was not expecting to get this because I don't think I've ever got anything for hair before. Have we? Let me know in the comments below if you guys have received hair products in the past. Even though I didn't want to get hair products in my BOXYCHARM, I'm still excited to try this out because I love using hair masks, so I will let you guys know what I think about this product. Okay, so the next product that I have here, it is a lip gloss by Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind, something like that. I've never heard of this brand either, and it's this lip gloss right here. It looks super pretty, so I can't wait to try it out. So I'm going to open it up right now. And this is the applicator. I think it's a brush. Here, I'm going to swatch. Oh, I forgot. So these are just swatches from the Ace Beauté palette that I got last week. You guys will see that video soon. I will put the link up here if you guys want to go watch that. But anyways, I'm going to swatch this right here. And it looks like it's just a clear lip gloss. It doesn't really have any pink to it. At least I can't see it, but that's what it looks like. But it's a brush. I've never had a lip gloss with a brush, and it's kind of weird. Never mind, I've actually had one lip gloss with a brush and I wasn't a big fan of it. But anyways, that's what it looks like. It's just like a clear gloss. It doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, I can't really smell anything, but I'm super excited to try this out. Hopefully it's not sticky. Here, let's apply it right now. And I do have lipstick on, so I don't care if my brush gets this color. So this lip gloss kind of feels thick, but it doesn't feel sticky like when I touch my lips, so that's a good thing, I guess. So I kind of like it. It doesn't feel sticky, it just feels kind of thick on the lips. We'll see how it goes throughout the video. Okay, so the next product that I have here, it is the Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes, and it's this one right here. I believe this is the item that I chose when they gave us an option to choose a product, so I chose this over a wand a hair curling wand, and something else. I forgot what the other thing was. But I chose this because it was for the eyes, and I feel like I need more moisture around my eyes, so that's why I chose this product. And this is what it looks like. It's a pretty small jar actually. I didn't think it was going to be this small. Here, let me open it up. Oh, so it does come sealed. I'm not going to open it up right now because I'm still using another eye cream. So once I'm done with that one, I'll start with this one, and then I will let you guys know how I like this product. Okay, now the last product, and it is this palette right here. It is the Living in Color palette, and this one is by Hank and Henry. So I'm super excited for this, you guys. And look at the beautiful palette, you guys. It's so pretty. I love the packaging. And let's take a look. This is what it looks like, and I like that it has a nice mirror. Although I don't really use the mirrors on the palette, but sometimes it's nice to have a mirror. But anyways, this is what the color story looks like. It's so pretty. I know it does have neutrals right there, but I really wanted to try out the shimmers right here and this pretty blue shade. It's so pretty. Smells like erasers or something, I don't know. I like the smell of erasers. But anyways, I'm super happy with this eyeshadow palette. And in the back it has the names of the colors. So this shade right here is called Sultry Sin Fuchsia, and I believe this one is Petty Cockle or something like that. This one is Boy's Toy. This one is Rosalinda, and this one is Drag Green Blood. This one is Mariana Trench, La Canela, and Rustic. So I'm super happy that I got this eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to use it. And well, that is everything that I got in my BOXYCHARM. It kind of sucks that I didn't get the card. Let me know in the comments below if you guys also have BOXYCHARM. What did you guys get? Did you guys get similar things as I did? And well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.